zone. Wow, look at that. Eastwood flooding, flash flooding. Oh my God, car park full of water. Wow, look at the water. Gee. Wow, look at that. Eastwood. Gee. The water will rising higher and higher. Look at that. Eastwood flooding. Flooding very soon. Oh my God. Another. Oh. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This is broadcast live from Eastwood. Look at that. All the water keep floating. Very wet. This is flash flooding. Wow. Traffic jam everywhere. As you can see, very wet, very wet. We are walking in the rain, thunderstorm, big, very raining. Try to go home in the last hour. Very wet. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, gee. Traffic jam everywhere. Gee, people rushing to go home. Oh my God. Raining. Running to go home. Very wet. Raining.
North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood.
Here the train come. We are going home. It's a very wet and rainy day, thunderstorm.
The train on platform 2 goes to Eastwood.
Very wet.